No one shut that door.
What?
Tyler.
What happened? Why'd you flinch?
Cause left flickered.
No, it didn't.
I want you to do it.
Hurry, put it down there. Hurry. You look at that spider web right there. Ooh. Right there, Thomas.
Where did I put it then?
Who's that?
I'm setting it on a box.
Hurry up. Run. I don't get it. I'm not. I'm staying right here. Please don't. I'm so scared.